Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that today's topic is division of rational numbers. So we have done till question number 1. Everybody knows that question number 1 तक हो गया है आपका. So today I am going to begin with question number 2 of exercise 4F. So let me read the question first. The question is of simplification. The first question was regarding multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So one student has asked me the use of that negative -1 symbol. So I have explained to that student in the comment section also. -1 is the symbol for multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal. If we want to represent any reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, जैसे आप मान लीजिए 18 का आपको रेसिप्रोकल या मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स लिखना है तो इसको आप इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स इट विल बी 1/18, राइट. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बिगिन विद एक्सरसाइज 4F क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज ऑफ सिंप्लीफिकेशन. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 4/9 divided by within bracket -5/12. Right. So how will we perform this division? आपको बताया था कि when we are going to divide any two rational numbers a by b divided by c upon d, the next step is to take the reciprocal of the second rational number and multiply it to the first one. So see, I have taken the reciprocal of c upon d and then I have multiplied it with the first rational number. So the same thing is going to work on this option. So 4/9 multiplied by 12/-5, right? Not sorry, -5, yes. So now we have to check whether it can be simplified or not. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now 4 4s are 16 and 3 5s are 15. So 16/- 15 is the answer, which can be written as -16/15, because the denominator is negative, multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by -1 to make it positive. So the answer will be -16/15. Now coming to the second option. The second option is -8 divided by -5/16. -8 divided by -5/16. Same thing is going to happen in this question also. This is first rational number because it is not having any denominator. So by default 1 will be considered as the denominator of this rational number. Now the second rational number, for that we have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number. Right. Now this minus and this minus is going to be cancelled. Now what is left? 8 into 16/5. So when you are going to multiply 16 8s are 128/5 is the answer. And if you want this question to write in mixed fraction, you can write like that also. क्योंकि 5 2s are 10, then 5 5s are 25, 3 remainder बचा. So we can write like that also. Both are correct. Now coming to the third option. So the third option of simplification is -12/7 divided by -18. -12/7 divided by -18. It is not having any denominator, so I am considering 1 as the denominator to avoid the confusion, right? Now what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number. So what is the reciprocal of -18? It is 1/-18. Clear? So this minus and minus will be cancelled. Now can we reduce it? Definitely it will be reduced. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21. What is the answer? The answer is 2/21. I hope it is clear now. Now coming to the fourth option. The fourth option is minus 1 upon 10 divided by minus 18 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 10 divided by minus 8 upon 5. Clear? So the next step would be to take the reciprocal of the second rational number. What will be the reciprocal of minus 8 upon 5? Please reply to me in the comment section. Yes, it will be 5 upon minus 8 and minus minus is going to be cancelled. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are. Now 2 eights are 16. So the answer will be 1 upon 16. Is it clear? Crystal clear or all clear? Please reply to me in the comment section. Now explaining you the fifth option. What is fifth option? It is minus 16 upon 35 divided by minus 15 upon 14. Minus 15 upon 14. Now the same rule is going to be followed here. We have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number and multiply it with the first rational number. So I have taken the reciprocal and multiplying it with the first rational number. Minus from the denominator, minus from the numerator is cancelled. Now we have to check for further that we can be reduced or not. देखेंगे 7 twos are 7 fives are. Now can it be reduced? 15 and 16 cannot be reduced, 2 and 5 cannot be reduced. So the answer will be 32 upon 75. What will be the answer? It will be 32 upon 75 because this cannot be further reduced or simplified. 5 and 2, they do not have any other factors, any other common factor apart from 1, and 16 and 15 are also not having any other common factors apart from 1. So we cannot reduce them. Now coming to the next option, that is option number 6. I think this is the last option of this question. Yes, at the end of the video I am going to discuss something very important, so please stay tuned. Minus 65 upon 14 divided by 13 upon minus 7, right? So this is how is the last option. So students, some of the students were saying that why we have to multiply with minus 1 to the numerator and denominator while writing the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse. हम लोग क्यों -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? हम लोग इसलिए -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यू कैन सी इन एवरी ऑप्शन, जहाँ न्यूमरेटर के साथ नेगेटिव वो न्यूमरेटर के साथ दिया है, जहाँ डिनोमिनेटर के साथ नेगेटिव है वो डिनोमिनेटर के साथ नेगेटिव सिंबल दिया है. सो टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव वी हैव टू डू दैट स्टेप, राइट. सो आप क्या करेंगे, पहले आप ये डिवाइड में दिया, आप इसको डायरेक्टली चेंज करने की बजाय पहले मल्टीप्लाई में चेक करेंगे. क्या करेंगे, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड टेक द रेसिप्रोकल. सी नाउ देयर इज नो नीड टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि अब ये क्या हो गया, आपका न्यूमरेटर हो गया. सो द न्यूमरेटर इज नेगेटिव, दैट डजेंट मैटर. इफ द डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव देन इट रियली मैटर्स. यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ कैन वी रिड्यूस इट. पहली बात तो माइनस माइनस आपका प्लस होता है, ठीक है, तो जो आपका रिजल्ट होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. 7 1 जा 7 2 जा, 13 1 जा 13 5 जा. सो द आंसर इज 5 अपॉन 2, जिसको आप मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते हैं 2 1 upon 2, because 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, that is 2 1 upon 2. Both are correct. Now the next question, that is filling the blanks, question number 3. It is very important to understand this question, and yes, please watch it carefully because some of the students are not going to understand it in the first go. So my request is from everybody to watch it carefully. So students, the first option is blank divided by minus 7 upon 5 is equals to 10 upon 19, right? This is the first option. So as per the question, we don't know what is over here. So can we take x? अगर आपको नहीं पता तो आप यहाँ पे x लिख सकते हैं. x divided by minus 7 upon 5 is equals to 10 upon 19. Now as per the rule of division of rational numbers, what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number and multiply it to the first one. So x multiplied by 5 upon minus 7 is equals to 10 upon 19. First step is clear because it was divide, so I have taken the reciprocal and then multiplied it to the first rational number. Now we have to find out the value of x. So as you all can see that this is denominator, that means ये x के साथ क्या है, divide में है, right? And this is numerator, this is in multiplication with x. So I have explained you about the symbols. Anything which is in multiply on the left hand side, when it will go on the right hand side, it will be in blank. You have to tell me in the comment section. जो चीज़ आपकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, व्हेन इट विल गो ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, तो वो क्या हो जाएगी? यस, whoever has commented divide, their comment is totally right. Now coming to this one, minus 7. Minus 7 is in with divide, x के साथ divide में है, तो when it will go on the right hand side, it will be in, please reply to me in the comment section, it will be in multiplication. क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा. So can you see that? Now can we reduce this rational number? If yes, we have to reduce 5 ones are 5 twos are. Can it be further reduced? No, it cannot be further reduced. So the answer will be minus 14 upon 19. What will be the answer? माइनस 14 अपॉन 19. सी यहाँ पे हमें इसे पॉजिटिव करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी बिकॉज इट केम इनटू द न्यूमरेटर. लास्ट में अगर आपका आंसर आया है और डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है लास्ट वाले आंसर में, देन यू हैव टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव एज वी डिड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन वन ऑप्शन आई हैव डन लाइक दैट ओनली. नाउ सेकेंड ऑप्शन. So the second option of this question is x divided by minus 3 is equals to minus 4 upon 15. We don't know the denominator, so making it 1, because if there is no denominator, by default you can consider 1 as the denominator. So this is divide. Now what is the step? First step. The first step is to take the reciprocal and then multiply it to the first rational number. So see, I have done the first step. I have taken the reciprocal and I have multiplied it to the first rational number. Now same thing will be applied. Minus 3 is in divide. When it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiply. And 1 की वैल्यू जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई में है तो वो डिवाइड में जाएगी, उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा वैल्यू पे. इट विल बी सेम ओनली, क्योंकि 1 से हम किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें द आंसर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. तो सबसे पहले तो माइनस माइनस इज गोइंग टू बिकम प्लस. सो द आंसर विल बी प्लस बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव सिम्बल्स आर हाउ मेनी? 2 नेगेटिव हैं, तो 2 नेगेटिव्स मेक्स इट पॉजिटिव. अगर इवन नंबर में आपको नेगेटिव साइन मिले, दो बार नेगेटिव हो, 4 बार नेगेटिव हो या 6 बार नेगेटिव हो, तो जो रिजल्ट होगा वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा. बट इफ़ द नेगेटिव साइन इज़ इन ऑड नंबर 1, 3, 5, तो आपका जो है रिजल्ट क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. क्लियर? सो 3 ones are 3, 5s are. So 4 ones are 4, minus minus is going to be cancelled. The answer will be 4 upon 5. Clear? What will be the value of x? The value of x will be 4 upon 5. Now in the same question, 2 options are still left, option number 3, option number 4. So I am leaving those options up to you. You have to do it in your homework copy. And yes, if you will be facing any difficulty in those options, I am going to explain it to you. Okay? Now I am going to solve the next question, that is question number 4. So please pay attention, students. So students, question number 4 is divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 by their difference. हमें क्या करना है? 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 का sum means add. इसको हमें किससे डिवाइड करना है? by their difference. इनके डिफरेंस यानी इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे जो आंसर आएगा उससे हम लोगों को इसको डिवाइड करना है. एज पर द क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू डिवाइड द सम ऑफ 65/12 and 8/3. Sum means we have to add both of them and by their difference means इन दोनों का difference. So I have taken the difference. Divide ऐसे ही किया जाता है आपका, और else you can write like that only. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 65/12 प्लस 8/3 विद इन ब्रैकेट. नाउ डिवाइड का सिंबल लगा के 65/12 माइनस 8/3. नाउ हाउ वी हैव टू प्रोसीड. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. वहाँ पे कैसे ऐड करते थे. इफ़ द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट वी मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. So what is the LCM of 3 and 12? Please reply me in the comment section. What is the LCM of 3 and 12? The LCM of 3 and 12 is 12 only. तो आप इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So it will be 65 plus 8 4s are 32/12. Clear? Divided by, here also we have to make the denominator same. So we have to take the LCM, and the LCM of 3 and 12 is 12 only. So 65 minus 32/12. Clear? Now we have to solve this. 65 when added to 32, what it is going to become? 97. क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 97/12 divided by 65 minus 32 is 33/12. Now as per the process of division of rational numbers, I have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number and then multiply it to the first one. So 97/12 multiplied by 12/33. Now this 12 ones are 12 ones are, both the 12s are reduced. Now what is left? 97/33. हम इसको reduce नहीं कर सकते, so that is the answer. It cannot be further reduced. So I hope you must have understood question number 4 also. So I wanted to discuss something about PA1 which is going to be held. You must have got the date sheets too. So start preparing for that. All of you know what is the syllabus. The syllabus is chapter number 1, chapter number 2. So the first chapter is integers and the second chapter is fractions. So integers and fractions are coming in. PA1 syllabus is for maths, integers and fractions. So my request from all of the students is start preparing. You have got the playlist on the channel for the chapter integers also and for the chapter fractions also. So please go through the playlist, watch the videos. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू वॉच द ऑल वीडियोज़. उसमें जो कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड वीडियोज़ हैं आपकी, जिसमें मैंने एक्सप्लेन की हैं चीज़ें, यू हैव टू वॉच देम. इफ़ यू विल वॉच दोज वीडियोज़ देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम्स बिकॉज द थिंग्स विल बी रिवाइज्ड. ओके. एंड येस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन येस्टरडेज वीडियो द क्वेश्चन विल बी मल्टीपल चॉइस. मल्टीपल चॉइस दैट डजंट मीन कि आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा कि नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर 0. तो इस तरह के डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं होंगे. यू हैव टू सॉल्व देम एंड देन यू हैव टू चूज द राइट ऑप्शन. दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क. एंड येस, इन योर मैथ बुक्स ऑल्सो देर आर सो मेनी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. प्रैक्टिस देम ऑल्सो so that you get better marks in exams. I want all of you to score full marks. So good luck students. Have a nice day.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.